Hello guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel and I hope you're well. In today's video, I have a couple of tips on what is the best blogging platform for beginners. So don't forget that there are a couple of these. When you first started, you want to find a blogging platform that is easy, is also, tech beginners friendly, and you have some space for you to grow and participate, and you don't actually have to struggle, and make it easy for you, especially if you have plans to do your own products. But even if you don't, then it's better for you to choose a platform that is easy for you to work and update and maintain. So that's my personal advice. And of course, if you have people that help you, it's fine, but also it's good to know what is the best. And let's be honest, there is so many platforms, but we're all of us a bit confused, and hosting is also very expensive, so you need to find something that is according to your budget, and then you can move on. Now let's start with Wix. Now Wix has it all. It's a fully hosting platform design. You get templates. As you can see here, you have over 500 different templates, and they're doing everything for you. Now there are a couple of things that you need to remember. That Wix has a high fee when you choose Wix, and also there are a couple of other things, like for example, if you create a website with Wix, then they put the ads on your website and they get the revenue. You don't get anything from that, and it's very difficult if you choose them then to move to another site server. So it's very, very difficult for you to move to another site server. So you need to, they have everything for you, but you need to keep those things in mind. I mean, to be honest with you, for us that we are using Pinterest, I have been told that, it wasn't really the best platform to use for some reason, but I'm not quite sure why. Maybe because of the rules, maybe because of the ads, and a couple of other things. So then we have Wordpress.com and we have Wordpress.org. I'm actually using WordPress as a free platform, as the software, but as you know, I'm using different server for my domain and hosting service. Here on WordPress, you can see that you can use it for business, pay annually and monthly, like for your free domain 1 year, and you have all the things you do, like plugins, etc. And as you can see on WordPress.com, there have also a couple of rules, like you can add Google ads or whatever ads and affiliates. But on .org there are a couple of rules that don't allow you to put ads, and they have their own rules, and they can take you, if you don't follow the rules, website WordPress.org can remove your site. And they have, obviously, you cannot control, you don't own your site, so it's like you pay for the service. And then the other thing also is that you cannot have custom domains when you go directly to them. So those are a couple of things that you need to remember, like from WordPress.com or WordPress.org. What I'm using is, obviously I'm using a different server. I'm using the platform as a software. Now I'll put the link below of what I'm using. I'm not an affiliate with them, but it's a good hosting server that I'm using. Is cheap, you pay monthly, and it's making my site very fast, and also it's actually very, very affordable. And I have other benefits like free site for SSL certificate, free domains, and also they can move the site from another provider for free. You don't have to pay anything. So I'll put the link below. You can have a look through. And now those are a couple of things for WordPress.com and WordPress.org that they have more. They have they control your site, and you need to remember that you're gonna have custom domains, and you need to follow the rules. That's it. Then we have Blogger. Now Blogger is again free. This one is owned by Google, and obviously you cannot Google Ads, and they do have a couple of rules as well. So for example, your access is, again, you have limited features, plus Google can suspend your account at any time or cancel it and remove your site. So this is something that you need to remember. You need to actually own your site and to have access. So this is something that you need to remember. It's very popular, and people that do use Blogger, it's easy, obviously, but there are rules and regulations. This is something that you need to keep in mind. Then you have Medium. Medium is all about writing, so it's a free big writing community for everything like blogging, tech, everything that has to do with writing. Is a big writing community. And the best thing about Medium is that it's giving you traffic, but you don't own that traffic. So something you need to remember. Plus, it's not good for us that we place ads and affiliates, so you might be suspended, and then you're wasting time. So that is something also you need to remember. So it's giving you the traffic, but again, you have limited features when it comes to use Medium. That is also free, and it's also some membership for other stuff. I'll look at it, I read it, but I'm not using it like officially because I am having affiliates and ads. So those are a couple of platforms that I think you should consider to use, or look at the the advantages and disadvantages before you decide. And indeed, you need to find a website platform that is helping you to grow using and your experience, but also as a tech person, as a tech entrepreneur. You need to make it easier when you first started, so you don't have to start for months doing one project, and then you can take it as an advantage to grow, basically. So rather than stuck for months. So because you need to know what plugins to use for your website. We'll do another video what is important, because you need to have a couple of things on your website that are important. So traffic is good, everything is good, but there are rules that we need to follow on the online world, you know what I mean? So that's it for me today. I hope you liked this video. Leave your comments below, and I wish you well.